Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking the physical and software prerequisites. First, confirm the PC actually has a Bluetooth radio or a USB dongle. If it's a dongle, plug into a known good USB port. Once done, open Services. MSC and make sure Bluetooth support service is set to automatic and running. This lets Windows enumerate devices. Finally, reboot once if you just enabled the radio in BIOS, because some hardware needs a restart to appear in Device Manager. Next, focus on Discovery and Drivers. Open Device Manager and select View right arrow Show Hidden Devices so Windows lists non-present items. That reveals ghost Bluetooth entries. Use Action right arrow Scan for hardware changes to force re-enumeration. If you see unknown devices or Bluetooth entries with warning icons, right-click and uninstall them. Then scan again. This clears corrupt device instances so Windows can redetect proper drivers. Make sure you have admin rights for these operations, otherwise changes won't persist. Finally, install the correct driver from the PC or adapter manufacturer. Pick the Windows 7 32 or 64-bit package. Run the installer and reboot, then check Device Manager for Bluetooth radios or the adapter under Network Adapters. Once present, pair a device to confirm functionality. If the adapter still doesn't appear, try another USB port, test the dongle on a different computer, or use System Restore to a point when Bluetooth worked. Key troubleshooting tip. If drivers fail, disable driver signature enforcement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.